Hello guys, today I'll show you how to boost FPS in Fortnite. We're gonna use a tool named LagoFast, so follow these steps. Firstly, visit the LagoFast website and download the free trial on the FPS Boost client. Open LagoFast, find Fortnite on the list, and click the Boost button to activate FPS optimization. Click the FPS Boost button within LagoFast to adjust settings like High Performance Mode, disable game DVR, and close unnecessary background applications for optimal performance. Start Fortnite and monitor real-time ping and other game metrics as LagoFast enhances your game connection. By LagoFast, you can not only increase FPS but also reduce high ping and lag issues for a smoother gaming experience. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.